Digital real estate marketing video course. In this video course, you are going to learn how to make simple advertisement for general purpose, right? Let's suppose you may have a new listing or a project and you want to market this project. You want to do marketing of this project. You have to create advertisement. So that advertisement you can create, that advertisement you can share on WhatsApp, you can share on Instagram or social media platforms. So anyone can easily understand your project or listing, and if your advertisement saw or seen by a potential customer, so he can reach out to you, and that's it. You can generate leads. Simple as simple. So let's go ahead, and before going ahead I would like to show you bad advertisement, right? So here's the example. As you can see here, I have saw this ad on Facebook. Just simple text, that's it. Drop in Google Map, 150 acres, Adarsh Engineering College, and all that stuff. The simple ad I have seen, and this ad is created by a real estate agent, right? So let's convert this ad into a good advertisement. See, in front of you. So as you can see here, I have just converted this ad into this ad. So let's just tell me which ad looks great, which ad looks so easy to understand. Property on sale, 150 acres, address, price, Google Maps, colon. Simple as simple. Simple ad, easy to understand. Anyone can contact you, anyone can understand your project or listing. So want to learn how to create this ad? So let's use this point in whenever you are going to create ad. Use this point, use image or try to use video if possible, right? So whenever you are going to share your ad or whenever you are going to share your listing on social media, you can use a video, because I will recommend you that to go with video of your property, so that will give you customer virtual experience to your customer, right? And for better understanding also, right? So you can go with image or video, is completely depend on you. Must use emojis to stand out your ad. So as you can see here, I have just used emoji on WhatsApp. This is a property, or you can use this fire emoji or this thumb emoji. That's simple as simple. So you must have to use simple emojis to stand your ad. Bold headline, right? Bold headline. So as you can see here, I have just bold this property on sale. I have bold this headline, right? Price, Google Map, bold headline. Use low words but specific word. You must have to use low quantity words but specific word. You don't have to create a 2-page, 3-page or 100 or 10, 115 or 100 to 100 words ad. You need a low word but specific word. Those words can give one single word that contain 2 or 3 words information or meaning. So use these powerful words, right? Use urgency words, right? You can use this offer is limited, right? Offer limited, book now, all that. These urgency word you can use. Try to add emotions if possible. You can add emotion, so you can create a video of property and you can use a very emotional song behind the video. So someone listen your video, someone watching your video, the background powerful emotional music will help you or help the customer to get emotionally attached with your property. If you are selling home, that works very well. If you are selling home, use I and you words. Don't use we word, because I and you can help you or build a connection with customer, right? And you can also use a Google Map location, right? As I have just used this Google Map location, right? So use this point to build good advertisement. I have just, right? So as you can see, this is bad advertisement and I just made this good advertisement. So and you can use these points. Take a screenshot, save it to your phone, use further or write it down. So let me show you another good advertisement. So as you can see here, this man used all that stuff according to me, right? So as you can see, he used some images right? And as you can see, he got 188 likes. Features, he use emoji and he use hashtags, right? You can use, he also add a link of his a website, as you can see here. So this type of ad you can create and share on your social media platforms. So now let's understand, whenever you are going to create offline advertisement, right? So let me help you with offline advertisement also, right? So let me show you good advertisement. As you can see here, this is a offline ad, and this look very well. So you can use this point, use image, use low words but specific word, use urgency word, and use INV words. You can use this point if you are going to create a offline advertisement. That's it. So thank you so much in this video. Hopefully you have learned lot of things and you are going to implement this thing and create a advertisement for your real estate business to market that listing on social media or anywhere. Thank you so much. See you in next video.